My name is Sharif Ampimal Hassan Asidu, the CEO of Zest Consult.
My name is Amina Sewa Sharif.
My name is Fidel Sewa Sharif.
This is Jamfa Jamila, an IELTS instructor at Zest Consult.
Zest Consult is an educational consultancy that specializes in the teaching of IELTS, SAT, and GRE. Zest Consult is also into the provision of IT solutions, automobile, and then real estate.
I am Mr. Kwame Bediako, one of the indefatigable tutors of IELTS at Zest Consult.
Here at Zest Consult, we have 3 different modes of tuition. We have the physical class, the online class, and then the weekend classes.
Our classes are from Mondays to Wednesdays. On each day, we have 4 different sessions from 8 to 10:30 to 1 p.m. and lastly at 4. So you can join any of the class depending on the day's schedule. And also, we have a very robust tuition structure. So we take you through 3 stages of tuition. We start with the freshers class. You start at the freshers class, which is 6 weeks, after which you transit to the supplementary class, where you stay there for as long as you need to. And lastly, when you finally register for the main exam, we take you to what we call the test takers class and give you the finishing touches.
I am Mr. Nicholas Onsefree, an IELTS tutor of Zest Consult.
We have one of the best tuition offer and also very good approach in solving the IELTS test as a whole.
Many are the people that they've traveled outside with the help of Zest Consult.
My name is Zest. My experience here in Zest Consult has been so helpful from day one. This is currently my 2 months journey, and from the very first day I came here till now, been able to express myself fully well in the English language, and now I can call myself a really fully prepared candidate for the IELTS exam. I recommend that you come to Zest Consult if only you want to write the IELTS exam, because they are the best in the country.
Zest Consult has established a credible reputation for itself. Zest Consult has trained more than 5,000 individuals for these standardized examinations and have more than 3,000 of these individuals currently studying and working in the UK, United States of America, Canada, Australia, and many other countries. If you are looking or searching for a credible institution for your study abroad pursuit or your IELTS, SAT, or GRE tuition, then look no further than Zest Consult. Zest Consult is also into real estate, automobile, and IT solution services. Our real estate services involves the sales and purchase of litigation-free lands and properties. So if you are in diaspora or you are in Ghana and you are searching for a credible firm to assist you get and purchase a property which would have complete documentation, then you have to come to Zest Consult. We have the experts that will make sure that all the necessary title ownership you need is provided. When you come to Zest, you are safe because we have earned that reputation, and we are constantly working to maintain and enhance our standard. We have a catalog of hundreds of properties all over the country, predominantly Accra and Kumasi. Acres of land, whether for farming, whether for your residence, and then we make sure that your documentation is completed so that you can have that peace of mind that you need as a land or property owner. In terms of the automobile business, we also assist in the sales and purchase of cars. So if you are a car dealership and you want Zest to help you sell your cars, you can reach out to Zest. And if you are an institution that want brand new or foreign used cars to buy for your firm, you can also reach out to Zest. If you are an individual and you want to buy a car, you can also reach out to Zest. Now, Zest is in partnership with AutoCheck. And AutoCheck is a loan financing firm that has a headquarters in South Africa, and it's partnering Zest Consult to provide auto loans to people and institutions who want to buy foreign used or brand new cars. Whether you're an individual, whether you're a salary worker, whether you're a business owner, whether you are a business entity and you're purchasing it for the business, you can reach out to Zest. In terms of our IT solutions, if you're a school, if you're a hospital, if you're a bank or any other, firm or business, and you need IT software solutions, you can reach out to us, and we are going to provide you with a service that will beat your mind, beat your imagination. Zest Consult is located in Kumasi. At the moment, we are opening our branch in Accra very soon. In Kumasi, you can find us at the Kumasi Cultural Center, and you can also find us at Dicham Sume 5. When you reach Dicham Sume 5, you only have to ask for Willas Towers. We are on the top floor of Willas Towers, and you see our signage, very big and bold, Zest Consult. Kumasi Cultural Center, we have two venues. One venue is between the Ghana Tourism Authority and Apatakesiase. The other venue is also beside the Ashanti Library. If you are looking to obtain a scholarship to study abroad, study on scholarship, then you have to come to Zest, because Zest is going to prepare you or your ward for the SAT and add it to his SS or WASI results, and then apply a scholarship in the United States of America for your ward or yourself. Come to Zest. Follow us on Instagram at Zest Consult. Follow us on Facebook at Zest Consult. Follow us on YouTube on all our YouTube channels: Zest Consult IELTS, Zest Consult SAT, Zest Consult GRE, Zest Consult Travel, Zest Consult Real Estate, Zest Consult Automobile, Zest Consult IT Solutions. It's just amazing. You just love the Zest family. Our numbers are 0555 631 633, 0555 631 633, or you can also reach us on Vodafone 050 909 2330, 050 909 2330. We have all the certificates that make a business legitimate. Our training with the British Council, we have certificates. We have, certificate of incorporation. We have our Ghana Tourism Authority license. We have the NUCS plaque here. If you want more than track record, come to Zest. At Zest, we say excellence is our hallmark.
Why the Zest? Always the Zest. So come join the Zest family. Bye-bye.